Found a new store and wondering if you can pay with Klarna? In this video, I'll show you 3 quick and easy ways to check if a store accepts Klarna before you even start shopping. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Verifying Klarna acceptance takes just seconds and ensures a smooth checkout experience. Let me walk you through the best methods. First, and most reliably, open the Klarna app and go to the Shopping tab. Use the search bar to look for the store by name. If it appears in the results, it's a direct partner and you can shop through the app for a seamless experience. Second, visit the store's website directly. Look for the Klarna logo in the footer, on the homepage banner, or on the product pages. Often, they will proudly display Pay with Klarna or Pay in 4. Third, if you don't see the logo, simply add an item to your cart and proceed to the payment step. If Klarna is an available payment method, it will be listed among the options like credit cards and PayPal. A crucial pro tip: remember the universal rule. If the store accepts Visa online, you can use your Klarna card or generate a one-time card in the Klarna app to make the purchase. This is your ultimate backup for any online store. And just like that, you'll never be left guessing at the checkout again. A quick check up front saves time and helps you plan your budget. Which of these methods do you find most useful? Let me know in the comments. For a specific giant, watch our next video on how to use Klarna in Walmart. Thanks for watching.